Okay, I didn't see you there. So I am going to go and do my entire skincare routine trying some new products. And this is from a company called Folane. This is a, what is this? Like a skincare kit for non-toxic beauty products. If you don't know what Folane is, it's basically the Sephora of clean beauty. More and more I've been getting a lot of questions on clean beauty, so I really want to start adding it into my skincare routine because I use a lot of products that, well, aren't very clean, a lot of chemicals, and I do get a lot of people asking me, especially my friends asking me for more clean, organic, and I never know what to recommend because I don't really have that much knowledge on that topic. So I feel like Folane makes it a lot more doable for those of you who aren't familiar. Usually whenever people ask me, I just tell them to go to Whole Foods or like any health store. It can be kind of overwhelming. It's like walking into CVS and being bombarded with a bunch of different beauty products. Skincare can get really expensive, so I try to get smaller sizes as much as possible and then test out a product, and then if I truly like it, then I'll commit to the bigger size. So this trial kit is 100% non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. In here we have a face wipe, a OC Ocean cleanser, and then we have a 100% toxin-free hand and body lotion, and I actually have the wash of this, so I'm really excited to try this one out. And then we have, let's see, an Ursa Major recovery cream, so like a facial moisturizer, and a Indie Lee CoQ10 toner. I'm actually with Lauren right now, so she's gonna join us and wash her face as well. I love doing skincare with my friends, especially like face masks and just like kind of pampering spa-like treatments, because when you do it alone it's not that fun and it's very time consuming. I don't do this every night, obviously, the whole like 10-step Korean skincare routine, but when I do, I generally do it with my friends around, so yeah, it's really fun.
Oh, you know what? No. I was combining that along with Waiting for Tonight by Jennifer Lopez.
I have a bunch of other stuff here too, so yeah.
I prefer the J-Lo.
This is J-Lo. You know, I'm gonna double cleanse. This is an ocean cleanser. Vegan,
double your cleanser, double your fun.
Do you normally double cleanse?
Nope. Wait, I don't really know. Probably not.
Girl.
What does that mean though?
Double cleanse is when you start with like an oil-based cleanser or a cream cleanser, and then you follow it with like a soapy cleanser.
No, my thing over there is Paula's Choice right now.
Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay. Okay, so let's start with a cleanser.
Okay.
So this is the clean one. It's from OC. It's an ocean cleanser. We can do that, or we can do the glossy milky jelly, whichever you prefer.
I want the OC because I like the water.
Okay, go for it. You first. Let me know how you feel about it. I would use like 2 pumps.
Okay, cool. That's kind of what I did. Mmm. Oh, it smells bomb.
Oh, what does it smell like?
I don't know. For a minute it smelled like mint, but then it changed. It just smells really clean, like in a non-soapy way.
Okay.
Maybe it's the algae. It's quite nice.
Before I forget, Folane is offering a sale right now on this kit. So it's normally $45, but the first 100 people will get 60% off of their order. So if you're the first 100 people to click on the link in the description box, then you'll get 60% off your order. And that's with free delivery, which comes out to like $18. So it's a really good deal for the sampler kit.
It doesn't feel heavy.
Yeah.
Like right now as my skin dried, it feels like I put moisturizer on or something.
Sweet. So you have to damp your skin a little bit and then apply it on. How many pumps did you use? 2?
I used 2.
Okay.
That was pretty good.
Okay.
Ample pumps.
Ample. Whoa. Citrusy.
Yeah, that's what it, like something really fresh.
It doesn't leather up really. It's just like a creamy cleanser. Usually whenever I'm at home, I don't dry off my face.
Oh, that's right. I forgot.
And I kind of just dry off on its own, but
That's
second
so smart
cleanse,
though.
Yeah, second cleanse, I don't know. I think it's out of sheer laziness. Second cleanse is when you use like soapy cleanser, something that lathers up. So this is Skin-esque, and it's an enzyme washing powder, so it's a dry formula. And then what you do is you put like a nickel-sized amount in your palm, and then you put a little bit of water in and you kind of lather it up.
Cool.
So it turns into like a soapy texture.
Oh.
Want to try it?
And this is the oil-based one?
No. Oh no, so this is the soap base.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Soap.
Okay,
soap.
So it's gonna leather up. So
This first. Okay.
Yeah, so you put like a nickel size.
Oh, it's a powder.
Yeah, and then you put just a little bit of water in your hands, and then it foams up. And then this will.
Oh.
Oh. This will basically whoa. Does this light thing turn on right here? This one? Oh, there you go. Oh, perfect. So you see, that turns into like a soap. So it's so tight. So if you use like a cream cleanser or an oil-based cleanser, it'll basically strip down all of that. It removes all of that. But the only thing is that when you use like a soapy cleanser like that, it kind of strips you of like the pH balance. It just kind of throws your pH balance off, so you need some sort of like toner afterwards, which I always recommend. Sometimes people get like really dried out.
Yeah, my like chin area has a tendency to do that, especially in the last week.
Yeah.
Plus with swimming.
Oh yeah, the chlorine, yeah, it does.
For sure. I've been trying to be more conscientious about moisturizing. Number one fangirl.
Number one fangirl. Nickel size amount, like about that much. And then you just put a little bit of water in it. Whoa! Yeah, like that. And then, see, it turns into a soapy lather.
Oh, that one came out way better than mine.
I've been doing it for a while. I'll do one or the other. So I'll do either this, or if you want like a more crazy exfoliant, then I would use this Oak Microdermabrasion. And this is a natural brand.
Ooh, I saw you mention that one recently.
Which one
I want to try the Oak.
Okay, cool. Let's do that. Okay, so what you do with this one is, so it's microdermabrasion, which seems really intense, but this is actually a very gentle formula. So you kind of wet your skin a little bit, and then you take out a nickel size amount, and you kind of just rub it all over your skin.
Okay.
And gently, don't like go crazy with it. Great thing is that it's actually natural, but you can still feel the results. Rinse this off now. Okay, so next we're going to use a toner, and this is from Indie Lee. It's the CoQ10 toner. I'm just going to put it on my hands. Ideally, you want to use a cotton pad. The purpose of a toner is that it checks your pH balance, so.
Cool.
Yeah, generally what I do is I start from like the thinnest formula to the thickest formula. So next I'm going to use an oil.
Okay.
And then a serum. Sometimes I switch it back, so sometimes I use the serum.
Oh, this is like what I'm always questioning about my moisturizer before oil or serum before that. I still always get confused.
Yeah, generally just go thinnest to thickest. And then I also have essence too if you want to be extra. How do you feel about being extra?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go for the essence.
I'll do what you're doing.
Okay, cool.
I'll have what she's having.
Hell yeah. This is from Bare Minerals. This is the Skin Longevity Vital Power Solution or Infusion, and I used 2 pumps of it.
This also smells like kind of lemony.
And then I put the extra just on the back of my hands too. See, like, if you didn't have a fan, it would take for freaking ever, right? To dry. Your skin looks really glowy right now.
Thank you. That's true, because when I'm doing my polish stuff,
Yeah.
like, I do one thing, then I have to go do something, then come back and wait for it to set in.
Yeah. I mean, which is nice too, but I don't think anyone has that.
No, I'd rather just do everything like one shot, one kill.
Yeah.
Out the door.
See ya! Okay, so that's out of the way. So this is from Red Earth. It's the Brighten Concentrate, and I use this because I have like dark spots sometimes. And I don't use a full pipette. I use like about half a pipette.
Okay.
So just about like a nickel size amount. And again, I kind of pat it on. And if you want to be extra, I have a roller here. I usually use this during the day, like in the morning, because when I wake up my face is all puffy. And I usually keep this in the fridge, so when your face is puffy and you keep this in the fridge.
It's like how when I was younger I would put cold spoons in my eyes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but yeah, I usually do it for like 3 minutes. So I'll run it across my eyes, through my forehead, jawline, cheeks. Kind of working your way from the inside out, and then bring it down your neck.
Oh yeah, I was watching videos about massages.
I was like, oh. Want to try it?
Okay.
Some people get carried away with that though, and then they go crazy and
they lose their job because they're just home all day rolling.
yeah, they lose their job. The serum that I've been using is from a niece. It's the Slay serum. It has truffle, white truffle in it. Oh, wild. Like mushrooms. I love shrooms. So yeah. I use about like a dime size amount and then press it onto my skin. Oh, and if you can remember, do it on your neck too. I can always forget my neck. But your neck is the first place that shows signs of aging. Fan girl, fan girl, fan girl, fan girl, fan girl. This is the stuff that I do that not a lot of people do. I put on eye cream before I put on my moisturizer.
Okay.
Because I feel like, even though eye cream is thicker than moisturizer, I feel like it gives
like
it a
a
chance.
blanket.
Yeah, totally, right? But it feels like, I don't know, it's like a mask that goes onto your eyes first and then you put a moisturizer on. I don't know. I feel like it penetrates better when you put on eye cream before moisturizer. And I have the one from Kiehl's, this is the Midnight Recovery. It smells like lavender, eucalyptus. Okay, so next is moisturizer. I have two here. I have the Glossy Rich, which has lavender in it, so you probably wouldn't want to use it. And this one's from Ursa Major, and it's the Recovery Cream, which is in that kit from Full-Aim. So I'm gonna try this out.
I'll try the Ursa Major because I've tried their products before and I like it. Ooh, sea buckthorn.
Whoa!
How much?
Oh, it smells so good. I would use a little bit more than that. Oh, hell
I think it's
yeah.
that. So Alicia has the soap from Le Labo, and it has sea buckthorn and a few other things too. But I like that smell.
Oh, it smells so good. Slap it on. You're like,
I'm like, you
oh
know.
my. And then down your neck too. If I have a breakout, then I'll use the Kate Somerville Eradicate. Yeah, Eradicate.
I got a new bottle.
Oh dang! Yours is so much nicer than mine. Hold it up real quick.
Well, that's because I just got a brand new one.
Mine's old.
Yesterday.
And hers is like brand new. Mine's all like mixed up because I had it in the car for a little bit.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Generally, you don't want to mix it up. Well, it says do not shake at the top, so. But it works really well. I don't have any breakouts right now.
I'm gonna use it because
So.
I have a bunch.
So Lauren already masked today, and I masked yesterday. But generally, after the second cleanse, I'll put on a mask, like a detoxifying mask. And what I normally use is something that has basically like a charcoal base. So it looks kind of black sometimes, and it pulls out all the impurities in your skin. I really like this one from Boscia. It's got like a swirl. It looks like the Sephora packaging, but then when you put it on your face, it's kind of just gray, like a dark gray. And I like to target certain areas, so like around my nose, around my chin, around my forehead. I don't put it on my entire face because it's a pain in the ass to wipe away or wash off. And then usually I'll follow with a sheet mask, since if you're pulling out all the impurities, your skin's just out of whack, right? I'll put on like a moisturizing sheet mask or a brightening sheet mask or something like that. So right now I have this one from Avatara. Every day is a different sheet mask, really, so yeah, those are just some suggestions. What's your favorite sheet mask? Do you like sheet masks?
I do. I don't really go out and buy them so much. I did try some by Dr. Jar, like one that was like firming. I can't remember the color it was, but I'm still trying to get through some that you've given me, Hannah gave me. I tend to do more of the clay masks. But I like the sheet mask. The one I did earlier was some kind of black pearl charcoal thing. And it leaves a lot of like serum or essence or something on it.
Essence?
Yeah.
You know. You do know.
I know nothing.
Yeah, right. You do know. I like to keep my mask in the fridge too because when you pull it out, it's like really cold and refreshing. So as soon as you put it on, you're like, oh, like just sucking in all the goodness. The last thing I do is just lip moisturizer. So this one is from Laneige. You can get it at Sephora.
Wait, I want
It's
to
got a little spatula. What did you just use?
The bite.
Oh, the agave lip mask? That works really well too.
I end up eating it.
Yeah, it works really well though. You can use a spatula if you want to. It's kind of gimmicky. You don't really need the spatula. But it comes with one, so it's nice. And it's like a strawberry vanilla, or strawberry banana flavor.
So basically I'm using the Trix yogurt.
Oh, whoa. I can't.
Or, no. The Hello Kitty gum.
I can't unsmell the Trix yogurt now. Oh, I miss that. Do they still make that?
No, you don't want to eat it. Really, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, just make your own with strawberry and banana and yogurt.
Have you ever
Sounds
made
really
yogurt?
nice. No. I'm not there.
Dude,
I'm not gonna try.
I looked up how to make yogurt, and the first ingredient is yogurt. Like, how did
Oh wait, I thought you told me that.
the first person to make yogurt? I just don't get it.
No, there's more to it, I'm sure.
Yeah. No, I swear though, the first ingredient to making yogurt is you need yogurt. I know, I thought that was getting fooled.
Sounds sus.
Yeah, it is kind of sus, isn't it? Yeah, so thanks for hanging out with us, and yeah, I hope you guys like this skincare routine, or this nighttime skincare routine. Yeah.
I have nothing to say.
It kind of matches a little bit, right?
Oh my god.
It totally matches.
It does.
Yeah, but you see, when it's like my time of the month, I totally use that too. And
Oh
it's always
God.
just like right here.
That's what it is, yeah.
Yeah, but your skin's really glowy.
A pink beard.
A pink beard, yeah, totally. But all over. Yeah. But you don't get hyperpigmentation like I do, so you don't have to worry about
I don't know
it.
what that is.
It's when your skin gets, like I have a spot right here. It's when your skin gets dark from like having like a pimple or something, and then, yeah, you don't get that at all. Some people don't get it at all. Whenever I get like a pimple, it'll stay, the mark will stay for like 6 months. So
I feel like mine do, but if I start noticing it, I'll probably freak out and then start looking for more product, and I've already spent enough on product. It's fine, it's skincare, it's good.
yeah, it's skincare. We're about that age, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Lauren, for joining me. That was fun. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.